Have you ever been so pumped to go to the gym? You're just in the mood. Like you put on your best fit. You make sure that the top matches the bottoms, matches the socks, matches the shoes. You make sure your hydro flask matches the entire fit. You drive to the gym, you blast music that like gets you in the mood, in the zone, like you're ready to just kill it, right? Then you park and you're like, okay, here we go. We about to go in there and do what we do. And you ask yourself like, is it worth it? Do I really need this? Like, do I really have to reach my fitness goals? And then you blink and it's been 2 hours. You feel awful about yourself because you really know you're supposed to go inside, but the last thing you want to do is go inside. You're sweaty because it's hot, and you have to wrestle up the energy to just go inside and get the job done. Hello, my name is Cedric. This is my story about why I hate the gym, but I go anyway. The first order of business is just walking in and like dealing with the whole front desk situation. Like sometimes I walk in and my thought is like, I probably should smile at the people at the front desk because like they're here to help me and they're just doing their job and I'm just here to do my job and like we're just, you know, doing our things together. But then like other times I walk in and I feel like they just don't want to be there. And so then I feel awful because I don't smile at them, but they also sometimes don't smile at me. And so I'm at a point where I don't know what to do because if I walk in and I like smile at you, but you don't smile at me, then I feel bad about myself. So I don't really know. I just know that I don't know what I don't know. So there are some guys in the gym that I just, they grind my gears. There are just some guys in the gym, especially those who come in groups, like groups of 6, 7 of you. Like, first of all, how do you find that many friends? I don't understand. But second of all, like, why are you a group of 7 at the bench press? They're basically all taking turns. How do you do that? How does that work? Because the first person that goes, they have to wait until the 7th person goes. And at that point, it's been at least 30 minutes. I don't understand it. And what's really frustrating is oftentimes they're not even working out. Like they're just talking, they're just chatting, they're just like admiring some girl's cheeks, like they're just fooling around and I'm here to work. It's just incredibly frustrating, especially when they're on a machine that like there aren't that many of. Like at my gym, there's 3 bench presses, but sometimes, you know, it's busy and there's a lot of people on the bench press. And so when you have one group of 7 people on a bench press, it's like, okay, what are we doing? And it's not even just the groups. There are some guys that I've noticed that just like, they just want to be seen. Like they just want you to know that they're there. They just be like, ugh. It just makes so much noise and it's like, bro. Or like there's been a couple of times where they're like, I notice them in the mirror and I pretend like I don't see them because I don't want to give them the satisfaction. But there are some guys who will like be in the mirror like, and they'll look at you to see if you're looking at them, just looking at themselves. Like it is so weird. I don't think I have ever in my life experienced a woman, a lady in the gym who is annoying. Every single woman I've seen in the gym is just there to do their thing, whether they're by themselves or with like a gym partner. I also don't know that I've ever seen a group of girls. It's usually one girl. It could be 2. I don't even know that I've seen 3 together. Do girls not like each other? I don't know. Whatever. I hate being asked how much longer you got. Especially because most of the time it's a machine that I've been waiting for. Like let's just say the bench press. You know, I'm trying to get a big juicy chest. You know, I'm trying to get these titties. I will literally be walking around the gym trying to like waste time and like find other exercises that I can do just waiting for the bench press. And then you got some guy like, hey, how much longer you got? It's like, if you don't go somewhere. It's one thing if I'm like, oh, I have 3 sets left. And he's just like, oh, okay, I got it. Like, I'll come back to you. It's another thing if like I have like 1 set left. My skin burns with the gaze of their eyes just staring at me, waiting for me to finish. You're trying to push through and you see them like, is that your last one? Ugh, I hate it so much. I don't love when guys ask me to spot them. Recently, there was a guy who came up to me, and mind you, I'm on a machine, I have my headphones in, and that's something else. I hate when someone comes up to talk to me when I have my headphones in. I'm just like, yes. But whatever, I said, sure, I'll be nice. Like, what do you need? And he was just like, hey man, do you mind spotting me? I was like, yeah, sure, I guess. Mind you, I can lift things that are relatively heavy, but overall, like, I'm not really trying to get bigger. I'm just trying to, like, define what I got and, create, like, I just want to look good naked. And so when a guy comes to me and asks me to spot him, he's basically saying, like, hey, I can't really lift this by myself, and I'm scared that I'm going to drop it on my, like, I'm going to crush my torso. But then you also have that weird, like, maybe it's because I'm a homosexual. When you're spotting someone, you're trying your best not to, like, because you're usually wearing shorts. Like, it's the gym, you're probably in shorts. You don't want to, like, be like literally your crotch over his face. Like, that's kind of weird. And so I was like, sure. Mind you, I haven't been asked to spot someone in, like, it's been months. Like, guys don't ask me that. Maybe they can just, like, sense the fairy from afar. But I don't, that's just not, I don't spot people. It's hard to explain. I want to get out of this chair to explain. Let me just show you what this looked like. Now, don't judge me. I'm wearing pajama pants because, you can only really, most of the time, see, like, the top of me. So don't judge. But I'm just like, I'm literally like this. You can't completely lift a weight when you're hunched over like this. So I was trying my best to, like, do this, because if you're like this and their head is right there, that's weird, So I was, it was awful. It could just be my own limiting beliefs or whatever, but I'm just of the thought that if you can't lift a weight, like, you shouldn't be lifting it. So why would you ask me to help you lift it? That's weird. I don't lift weights that I can't lift. I don't know what it is about me, but I, for some reason, cannot get past 6 exercises. Maybe I just need to work harder, but I don't know. Once I hit 6 exercises, my body is just like, all right, we get it. Because I'm not like a bodybuilder. I'm not trying to, like, gain all of this massive size. I would say overall, like, my goals, fitness-wise, are just to look lean. I just want to look good. I just want to be able to, like, go to like a beach with my, like, Speedo or something, and just someone be like, ooh, like, he goes to the gym. Like, that's my only real, like, goal, I guess. I do have specific goals that I'm trying to hit. Like, for example, here is my vision board for the year. Like, I want to look good. I want to look snatched or whatever. But I have, like, specific, like, I want my chest to be 41 inches. I want my waist to be 29 inches, which is, like, it seems like a far reach, but, I'm doing what I can. I want my biceps to be 16 inches and my shoulders to be 51 inches. I don't know if this is going to work out. I also really want to eat a bunch of yogurt. No, I'm just joking. I want to eat better, I guess, whatever. I don't want a bunch of meat on my bones, I just want to look snatched. Is that wrong? To be so honest with you, I don't really know what this video is. I just wanted to make a video that was, like, I just wanted a video that I could express my thoughts about why I feel like I sit outside of the gym for so long. Like, sometimes it's kind of ridiculous. It's like, okay, bro, why have you been sitting in the car for 45 minutes? Like, it's kind of insane. I'm just doing the best that I can with what I got. If you are somebody who is really struggling to be in the gym consistently, I don't think you should go full, like, ham. Like honey baked ham. I don't feel like you should go full ham. This might not be a popular opinion, but as long as you drive to the gym, that's at least a start. You getting to the gym is like, okay, I got here. Even if you don't walk in that day, it's fine. Like, you're good. Try the next day. Try driving to the gym the next day and, like, make your next goal to walk inside. I think you should really take your time to get into it. And that's kind of what I did. Like, I started out just going to the gym and doing maybe like 3 exercises. Like, I would go on the treadmill, do 10 minutes, and then I would do 2 exercises and then go home. That might not have moved the needle too much in terms of what my fitness goals are, but it at least got me in the gym. And every day I could kind of slowly but surely raise the bar and challenge myself to get better and better and better. It will do you no good to try and compare your fitness journey to someone else's. Acknowledge where you're at, acknowledge what you can do for your body type, for your, energy level and things like that, and what you can do fitness wise, and slowly move up from there. So yeah, that's it for me. I don't know what this video was. It was very random, but I just wanted to get my thoughts out. If you have any tips or tricks for the gym, please feel free to leave a comment down below. You have no idea who you could be helping, including me. If you want to see more of me, you know where to go. The next video is right here waiting for you. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.